Yeah, switch it up, Mike. Got a pretty boy up here in the ring. Hey, don't come park like that.
Terrel making his way to the ring.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Crowd all behind Elite Terrel. And his opponent. Foxx Vinyer making his way to the ring. Foxx Vinyer wanting to get things started right away.
Show him who's boss. Come on. There it is. There it down, baby. Give me the old sweet potato. Come on. Let it go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Fireworks Foxx Vinyer. A fan favorite here and everywhere that he goes.
Yeah, fan favorite. Got a great entrance. I love his entrance. No problem.
Now, what do you know about this ET, Elite Terrel? This guy, quite an athlete already. The way he just got into the ring with a lot of charisma. But how do you match wits with the charisma of Firework?
We got a dance off.
Yeah, well, why would you trust Fireworks is another question.
That's called the unicorn slam.
Now Foxx showing off right here why he is the human Firework. As I said, this guy, absolutely incredible everywhere he goes. From Dynasty Pro Wrestling, up across the Canadian border. Wherever you've seen Foxx Vinyer, guarantee you've seen something you can't see anywhere else.
Now, what is Elite doing? He didn't learn his lesson just now?
Well, who shakes their hand? Who shakes with a left hand?
Canadians.
Like,
you just said
let's
that.
talk about. No, that is the most egregious thing I've seen on the show so far.
You know he really does with that hand. Lefties aren't right.
Of all the turns and the run-ins, shaking your hand with your left hand is the worst thing I've seen tonight. And he goes for it, and come on, Terrel. And that's what you get, Mr. Man.
What? Look. Wow. And he
Beautiful.
around.
Absolutely beautiful.
And on his feet. You missed it. Dear God.
Wow, Hurricane Rana. I don't think Foxx was expecting this, and moreover, I don't think these fans in Johnstown were expecting this.
I wasn't expecting this. You're asking who Elite Terrel is. He's showing us in the first minute of the match.
He's the guy flying over the top rope, Mr. Man. That's who he is.
Wow. Incredible.
And can you believe we're not even halfway through with this show? We have got some incredible things on the horizon tonight. As now E.T. lifts Foxx Vinyer back to the vertical base. Oh, thought for a second he might be throwing him into the ring, but instead face first into the canvas.
Just one piece at a time. Start with the forehead. There you are.
And now what? Foxx.
Okay, I thought he was going to sit there and pump himself up.
You know, I'm with you on that one. I think maybe Foxx was going to do some push-ups and thought wiser about it.
Well, I'm glad he made that choice. I've seen it too many times where people showboat. Next thing you know, their opponent's recovering. Don't need that.
And an elbow now. E.T. down. You know, you can fly around the ring all you want, but you can't match wits with the power of this guy. On display right there. Vicious. That wasn't even a lariat. That was just an elbow
that was
to
just
the darn
knock his
face.
ass over. That's what that was.
That's right, clean your boot off.
Vinyer signaling for something right here. But E.T. was ready for it. Goes downstairs right into the bread basket. Continues to go after
but look at that bread basket. He ain't doing much damage there.
The guy's got more than bread in that bread basket. He's got bread, he's got falafel, he's got pita, he's got everything in there. He's got
gas.
That guy's got so many breads in his bread basket. Breads.
Oh! Did you hear that? That was solid.
Well, that's a good way to get around that.
Wow.
That dwarfing midsection is by going right to the mush, right to the face, and underneath goes E.T.
What?
He's going for a backslide right here.
Oh,
look at that.
Foxx.
That's the veteran edge of Firework.
That is good. Wow. Only good for a 2 count.
Absolutely incredible action so far. Foxx taking his time with E.T. today. And once again, that's a veteran maneuver. This guy, he knows he's got time to get it done. Let's not blow it. Let's not blow our tank in the first run. Referee, once again, I mentioned this before, but checking for that headlock, making sure he doesn't have the choke applied, although I hate to think Foxx Vinyer would want to win this match with the choke.
Nah, he doesn't need to either. He's got skill. Properly in the middle of the ring.
Now E.T. back on his feet once more. Left elbow right into that aforementioned bread basket. And here we go. E.T. back again underneath, missed it. And geez Louise, did you see that? Right to the face. Oh my God! This is hard hitting to say the absolute least. Oh my God, Foxx almost got him right there. Underneath goes Foxx. And now, whoa! Absolutely perfect power slam. I don't know if we're in New York, people are raising those horns saying just 2. Or is this Texas? Foxx Vinyer, first man to his feet. Odds are, if he can put this one away right here, he is heading to the promised land. What's Foxx going to do right here? Up goes E.T. Well, E.T., it was nice to know you here. And well, wait a minute, he's going to go ahead and fight out of that. Wow, there goes the Elite.
Boot to the midsection.
Crescent kick to the midsection. Drop kick.
Wow.
E.T. is still in this one. I think I counted him out too quick.
You got this, Foxx. Get him, Foxx. Give me Atomic Foxx. Let's go. Atomic Foxx. Let's go, Camouflage.
E.T. now.
I don't think the crowd knows who to cheer for here.
I don't think they do. I don't think a lot of these fans, E.T. is brand new to them, and they're still. Wow! Did you see what he did there?
Yes, I did.
Guy had a problem with his footwork and said, "You know what? It's all or nothing right now. I'm going for it." Absolutely.
I know, half off the top, half off the second row.
Absolutely amazing. And as I was just saying, some of these people didn't know who Elite Terrel was, but they sure as hell do now.
They will know the name E.T. The extra testicle.
No,
No.
no, not it.
Come on, Fox, into the flying orca. Flying orca splash. Flying orca. Hey, hold up, hold up. Flying orca. Flying orca. Flying orca. You don't know. Get out. Let's take a break. Time up. Time up.